The streaming revolution has been absolutely fundamental to a massive amount of change in TV recently. So it's changing viewing enormously. So people are viewing much more on demand, and it's raising the price of great content. So if you're an actor or behind the screen, you're very much in demand at the moment. So prices are running rampant, which is great for production. It looks like there's going to be even more production going forward, partly because there are lots more streaming services launched, and many of them will want to commission new content. And that's got to be produced somewhere. And the great news, if you're a Brit, is that there's a huge amount of production going on in the UK. So I would expect even more activity going on in the UK, which of every sort of genre. The great thing, if you're looking to start out in the television industry, is that it's growing really fast and there's never been more demand for great skills. And if you want to get started, I think the first thing you need to do is actually start filming things if you want to be on the practical side. If you want to be on, also it's worth researching a lot of the other jobs that are available to do in the industry, because some people are natural creative filmmakers, others are great on the technical side and the post-production and crafts and skill sides, and others are really good on the commercial side or communication side, and there are jobs to be done in all of those things. The second thing is there are lots of bursary schemes, and it's really good to research bursary schemes. So we at the Royal Television Society actually run a fantastic bursary scheme which helps people from lower income backgrounds, and we give cash and we also mentor people and help them into careers. So I think do what you're interested in. If it's making, research it, find a good scheme, and network a lot.